Hello friends, I have done my granny square. This is for holy book cover, and then after that you make this granny square. After that you fold it. This is the corner. This is the center of your square. You fold it. In three sides, and then you sew this point, and here you start the sew. I have sewn it. This is the two corner. Here you insert your book, and then for here you can attach buttons or ribbon. You make the thread cord. You can make, and for the cord you take 8 times. You take the same length yarn, and then you make the chains and you insert in your center of your cover, and you can attach one tassel in the end point of your ribbon. You take your hook and pull through yarn and make one slip stitch and make chains. You make 40 to 50 chains. I have done my holy book cover. Here I have attached one crochet ribbon, and this is very simple and easy project for beginners. You can make it, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.